Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about the Quotex and if it's actually a scam or no. So first thing first, I've seen reports of people telling that when they try to use Quotex and putting money there was easy, but actually getting the money out, it was like a little bit difficult. So the one thing that I particularly don't really like, and I don't know if this is true, is that there could be like a lot of fake reviews. And I'm not like 100% sure, but when you're gonna look here on all this, and like for example, this seems like complete ChatGPT. Also, this is like seems also ChatGPT. So I don't know if they're like, and you can actually see the names and everything. And even when I check here, and I'm going to write here, is it written by AI? And let's see. Yeah, AI generated 75%. Okay. And the more I'm going to get, see again, this is another fake review. And when I'm going to check it, see, AI generated again. Let's check this one. See, also, and you can see like this is the ChatGPT. In the moment when you see these things here, this is ChatGPT, but they didn't even like set it up. So as you can see, this is the first kind of like scam alert for me if they are paying fake reviews. And I don't believe these are real, to be honest, because every single day there are only positive reviews. And there are plenty of people saying that they had issues with taking out money. And like, I'm going to be honest, don't use platform that is actually paying fake reviews on Trustpilot. And I'm not 100% sure they are doing that, but a lot of these, as you can see, they are written by AI. See, this is pure AI. And then you know is that something's off. So to be honest, it's up to you, but I wouldn't really use it based on this information.